Hook. Midjourney produces the most visually stunning AI-generated images of any tool available in 2026. Professional designers, filmmakers, and brands are using it to create images that are genuinely indistinguishable from professional photography. Today, I'm showing you how to use it as a complete beginner. Introduction. Midjourney has evolved significantly since its launch, and in 2026 it offers a web interface that makes it much more accessible than when it only worked through Discord. The quality of images it produces is unmatched by any other AI image tool, and once you learn how to write effective prompts, the results are consistently stunning. Getting started. Go to midjourney.com and sign up for an account. The basic plan starts at $10 per month and gives you enough generations to experiment and develop your skills. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Midjourney web interface, where you can type prompts and generate images directly without needing Discord. Writing effective prompts. The key to great Midjourney images is specific detailed prompts. Instead of typing "a person working," try "a young professional woman working at a modern desk with natural lighting, cinematic photography, shallow depth of field, 8K resolution." Include the subject, setting, lighting, style, and technical specifications for the best results. Reference specific artistic styles, photographers, or film directors to guide the aesthetic. Advanced features. The Vary feature lets you create variations of an image you like, making small adjustments while keeping the overall composition. The Upscale feature increases the resolution of your favorite generations to print quality. The Blend feature combines two images into a single new creation, which is perfect for creating unique hybrid visuals. Pro tips. Save your best prompts in a document so you can reuse and refine them. Use the -- no parameter to exclude elements you don't want in the image. Study the Midjourney community showcase to see what prompts produce which types of results. Start simple and add detail gradually until you understand how the tool responds to different types of descriptions. Closing. Midjourney is the gold standard for AI image generation in 2026, and the learning curve is much shorter than most people expect. Start with the basic plan, experiment with different prompts, and you'll be creating stunning images within your first hour. Subscribe for weekly AI tool tutorials and drop a comment showing me your first Midjourney creation.